Every great photo shoot starts with a vision, but that vision gets expensive, fast. Locations, talent, crew, and once you've committed the budget, there's no going back. So before anyone makes any solid plans, let's visualize some ideas first, and we'll do that by collaborating in Adobe Firefly Boards. Our task? To promote our client's new backpack. It needs to feel aspirational, whether at home or at the gym or in the wild. But instead of us guessing where this lands best, let's preview it. From the Firefly Board site, I'll go into my team's location ideas board, and here we've already imported a standard product shot. So now I'll load in an Adobe Stock image that follows the theme that I'm working on, this person sitting in front of a lake, and I'll just drag this in. I'll select the image, I'll click edit, and then I'll choose a partner model. Next I'll choose the eyedropper tool and select the backpack as a reference image for this prompt. Then I'll type in my prompt. I'll ask for the person to be standing, facing the lake, and wearing this particular backpack. And then once I have my image, I'll add it to the canvas. And now I'll drag this image over to a group of images that I've been working on, and you can see that my theme here is based on mountains. And as I zoom out and pan around, you'll see that my colleagues are also working on their own ideas. And I think these are all looking amazing. So let's see what the client thinks. I can invite our directors and clients directly into this Firefly board, where they can review and add their own comments. So I'll hit the share button, add in some email addresses, and set their access level to commenter, and then click invite. And after the reviews came in, we knew that we were headed someplace amazing. And I'm happy to report that the photo shoot was a great success, though none of us had any doubts. So before your next photo shoot, align your team's vision before the cameras roll with Adobe Firefly Boards.